called a fire, right?
Watch for your little nuts. Okay, don't put it near the house, sir.
Get away, Daddy! So much for a little one.
Doesn't last very long. It's a pretty nice little guy.
Do you win?
Sir, what's the one that you had in your hand and you asked me about?
This one.
No. Sarah, you should move away.
Ta-da!
Uh-huh.
These fireworks are hot. Pieces of fire in them. What else is there? What's in there?
Lightning flashes.
Flashes are gonna get inside. Are you sure? These pieces of fire hurt you. Daddy? What are you doing, Daddy? You should get away from that one.
Oh, I'm right, aren't they?
Step on them. That was a short one.
They're real fireworks.
You can do them over and over again.
No, there were 4 of them, sir. Ah! There's a gun. Now, we don't go near it for a while, sir. Because you have to make sure it really is a gun. That one like it. There they go. too? It's got a pink and a yellow.
Ha. Yes.
It starts like the other one. Pull them apart because they're different colors. One's a little reddish and one's yellow.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay, Sarah. Okay, put them on the concrete. We'll clean it up later. All cool off.
I feel like
Just
having
somebody say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.